Hey guys, I'm Sayana
And I'm Tanisha.
So for today's video,
We've got in store for you guys a review video.
so as we are getting into makeup, we have become regular customers of this brand called Nykaa, and most of you must be knowing about it.
So for those of you who have no idea what Nykaa is basically an online beauty and wellness destination, and they've just come up with their range of matte nail polishes, and we've managed to get our hands on 6 shades.
So there are a total of 12 shades, and we are going to review on 6 of those.
So let's get started.
Okay, so I got the first shade, and since it's a matte nail polish, I'm quite surprised that the bottle itself is frosted. And this shade is called White Chocolate Ganache in the number 07. I think it's a sheer white color, and it's perfect for all the occasions because the white trend is coming back. What do you think?
I absolutely love this shade. In fact, I'm just wearing it right now.
So moving on to the next shade, we have
Okay, the next shade that we have is a black, and it is in the shade 09 and is named Black Sesame Pudding. I absolutely adore this shade. I think it's just perfect for every occasion, and since everybody loves wearing black,
in fact, I'm obsessed with black.
yeah, so this is absolutely perfect for those who love black.
So the next shade that we have is called Blueberry Frosting in the number 16. Okay, so this shade is lavender in color, and it's a dull mauve. And I believe, even though we've been wearing the very bright colored mauve for a very long time, so this helps in taking a break from that, and I think it's perfect for the winters.
Okay, so the next shade I have is in the number 28. It's named the Pink Meringue, and it's a lovely shade for those girls who love pink, and I am one of them. She is one of them.
Yeah, I love floral.
So I guess this is a perfect thing that you can get in the market right now, and
I think it can be worn all year round. So
yeah, perfect for summers, perfect for winters.
So good job, Nykaa. So the next shade that I have is called Cool Blue Grenta, and it's in the number 17. And it's a very light blue, baby blue color, and I believe it's a very summery shade. Also, I've gotten quite in love with this blue shade, and I'm also wearing it.
Alright, so the next shade that I have is this nude, which is named the Almond Crumble, and it's in the number 10. I think it's the perfect nude for every skin color basically. It's a light nude, but it still goes well with all skin types. And the very fact that all these colors are very sophisticated, I think everybody would fall in love with them.
And the best part is, it's matte.
And the very fact that they are made with a quick dry formula, it dries up in no time and you get the matte finish. So all you've got to do is just apply the nail polish, and it dries in no time and turns matte, in fact completely matte. So
Yeah, I like the fact that it's a quick drying formula so that I don't have to wait and apply it all over again.
lastly, I would like to say that all these shades are quite fun and trendy.
So I hope this video helped you in some way or the other, and it helped you find the perfect matte shade for you.
And for those of you who want to go and buy these nail polishes for yourself, do check out the description box since we provided the link there. And you can also have a look at the other 6 shades that are available.
So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up,
Share
subscribe,
and do comment below which video you would like us to do next.
so I guess we'll see you guys next time. Bye!